Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Chapathi special mushroom masala gravy curry recipe. Replace your regular Chapathi curry with this vegetarian recipe. You will really love the flavor of the recipe. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 1-inch size ginger, 6 garlic cloves, 1 tomato, 2 tablespoon curd, 8 to 10 soaked cashew. We have soaked cashew for 1 hour. Grind it into a paste form. Keep it aside for later use. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds. Then add 2 chopped onion. Saute it on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes until onion becomes light golden color. Now keep it to low flame and then add the masalas. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala Powder. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Now we can add the grinded mixture to it. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add 200 grams of mushroom pieces to it. I have cut mushroom pieces into smaller pieces like this. Add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on low flame for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, open the lid. Add 2 teaspoon kasuri methi. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Switch off the flame. Our Chapathi special mushroom gravy curry recipe is ready. If you are preparing this quantity, it can be served for 4 portions.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.